She didn't know what kind of baby it was. She only knew it was alive and alone. Small, fragile, unlike anything she had seen before. But instead of stepping away, she chose to care. She fed it, cleaned it, protected it, day after day. Without questions, without fear. As time passed, it began to grow, stronger, different, unusual. And then, the truth became clear. This wasn't just a baby creature. It was a bat. But by that moment, care had already turned into a bond. Would you have done the same? Or would fear have stopped you?